So during the movement along the demand curve, we have studied when the price is going to fall down, then we get expansion of demand, that is demand is going to increase. Whereas on the other hand, when the price of a commodity is going to rise, we get contraction of demand, that is demand is going to fall. And one more thing I want to tell you, that movement along the demand curve is also called as change in quantity demanded. Okay, it is also called as change in quantity demanded. Whereas if we move on to the another concept of change in demand curve, that is called as shift of demand. We will see that this shift of demand is also called as change in demand. Okay, so remember this thing, movement along the demand curve is also called as change in quantity demanded, and shift of demand is also called as change in demand. Now, what happens in the situation of shift of demand curve? In this situation, the price remains constant and the other factors are changing. That means wherever the demand for a commodity by a consumer is going to change, it is due to the change in other factors. But the price is going to remain constant. There is no change in the price. As you can see in the schedule given here, price is remaining constant 10 and 10. But the quantity demand is going to increase from 4 units to 6 units. So, in the shift of demand, the demand curve is going to shift in 2 directions. So, how can we study about these 2 directions? In the first situation, the demand curve is going to increase in demand, we call it. In this situation, the demand curve is going to rise. That means it is going to show that the demand of a consumer is going to increase. But the price is going to remain constant. You can see here, demand is going to rise from 4 to 6 units. But why this increase in demand is taking place? Because some other factors have changed. Not the price, but other factors. Okay. So, to see this in a graphical representation, what we will see? If you see here, at 10 rupees price, the consumer is demanding 4 units of a commodity. So, we will make this first curve. We are going to make